Sisaqhubeka nezibonelo zama derivatives sisebenzisa i-power rule. Asiqale ke sizothi uyabona ukuthi i-power rule eqaleni nakhona ibingathi inzima kodwa njengoba sisiya ngokuya siyayijwayela siyabona ukuthi ayikho into enzima nge-power rule. Ne-chain rule nayo. Asithi ke f of x equals sine of 3x to the power of 5 plus 2x to the power of 1. F prime x equals f prime x ke siyazi ukuthi i-derivative ka sine u-cosine ngithi kodwa siqale lapha phakathi ke sithi 15x to the 4 plus 2 bese ke sizothi times lo sine wethu osizoba u-cosine 3x to the 5 plus 2x sivale. Asithi ngifuna ukuthi ubone ukuthi uma bekunika mhlawumbe kwisivivinyo lama derivatives bangakunika ama function bawabhale ngeindlela ezihlukile. Bangathi f of x equals bangathi y equals yikho ngibhala ngeindlela ezihlukile. Y equals e to the x cosine to the 5 x. Y equals e to the x cosine 5 to the x. Bese ke sizothi derivative of y with respect to x, derivative ka y uma sibuka u-x kuzoba e to the x lo angithi siyabona ukuthi i-derivative ka e to the x or e to the x ukakungichaza kabi kabi. Bese ke sinalo cosine 5 to the x, cosine 5 to the x. Bese sithi plus sikufake konke lokhu futhi sithi u cosine x to the 5 no cosine 5 to the x cosine to the power of 5 x kuyafana no cosine x to the power of 5. Cosine x to the power of 5 yafana no cosine 5 to the power of x. Cosine to the power of 5x. Yeah. Qhubeka ke sithi negative sine x derivative ka cosine x times 5 cosine 4 x bese ke sithi times lo e to the x wethu singawukhohlwa wona e to the power of x wethu bese ke senze yokugcina noma siloko siqhubeka nje. D over dx no derivative with respect to x ka natural log of x over 3x plus 10 vale bese siyehla sithi lo natural log of x sethu over 3x plus 10. Uma siqhubeka sizothi natural log of x times 3x plus 10 to the power of negative 1. To the power of negative 1. Ebese nalapho siyehla sithi equals natural log of x lo sizoqala ngawo sizothi 1 over x bese times 3x plus 10 to the negative 1 times plus njalo nxase plus lokho kungaphakathi 3x plus 10 sizothi ke 3 times negative 1 bese konke to the negative 2 lo x wethu 3x plus 10 I'm sure siyakwazi lokho manje times the natural log of x, natural log ya x bese siyehla sithi 1 over x 3x plus 10 to the to the negative 1 uyafana no 1 over 3x plus negative 10 yikho singasawubhala to the negative 1 sithi ke minus 3 natural log of x over 3x plus 10 to the power of 2 positive 2 manje saqeda ke la asenze eyokugcina ngisuse lokhu bese futhi ngifaka ibhodi lami elimnyama ya asenze eyokugcina ke sithi y asithi sichoose mhlawumbe nje enye iletha singayijwayele p equals sine x over cosine x bese sithi derivative of p with respect to x kuzoba sine x over cosine x yafana no sine x times cosine x to the negative 1 ngefanayo leyo so bhala lana ke sithi cosine x times cosine x to the negative 1 plus negative sine to the negative sine x times negative 1 cosine x to the negative 2 negative 1 cosine x to the negative 2 times sine x equals 1 cosine x no 1 over cosine x bese sinika 1 lo sobhalela ebese lo 1 nalo 1 bayakhanselana ebese kusala usine x no sine x lo so it's get plus sine squared x sine x times sine x sine squared x over cos squared x ngoba nabo cosine x bese basele equals 1 plus 10 squared x ngoba sine squared x over cos squared x to 10 squared x so sala no 1 plus 10 squared x siyazi ukuthi 1 over cosine squared x loyo nanko ke ama ama-derivatives ethu esiwasebenzise ama-power rule nama-chain rule.